Tamikaze here with episode 8 of our educational series. Tonight we're going to be talking about a lesser common candlestick pattern, but one that still should be learned. This is called the piercing line, and in my experience, you don't see it as much. Typically, these end up being tweezer candles, but let's discuss it, and this will be a shorter episode. So right here, I have up here the piercing line candlestick formation graphic. The general rule of thumb is it is a reversal trend, so it could be on a downtrend or a uptrend. And so what you will normally see is a well-confirmed downtrend and then a solid candle followed by a lower solid candle. And the big difference between this and a tweezers is the bottom of the reversal candle is below the base of the bottom of the previous candle. And the big thing is it has to retrace at least 50%. So it's going to be in this range right here. So the big things is you have it below and it's above 50. So we're seeing basically action come down here, and then we see the reversal coming up. And that's what it's signifying, is the action go all the way down, and then it come all the way back up like that. So it's coming down and then back up. And then we know it's reversal because it got halfway back, and then typically is followed up by a confirmation green candle next. So if you want to see it in black and white, this is what it looks like in black and white. So exact same thing, downtrend, come back up above the 50%, confirmed with a following bull trend. So I have a couple of candles pulled up on futures here just to show you what it's like in real world. In the real world, you don't typically see those obvious ones. Typically what you'll see is it barely below, but this is what I would consider a piercing line. Here we did not get a confirmation after we got a couple dojis, but you do see it did reverse after this. So you see it's below here, above 50%, so this is a bullish reversal. And then likewise, I wanted to show you what a bearish looked like. So this is above right here, and it comes down 50%. It doesn't get confirmed until we're over here, but futures do look like they're going a little bit lower right now. So again, this is just a couple examples of the piercing line. Again, it's not a very common pattern. Typically, you see these type of candles more. These are hourly ones, and typically you don't see a very huge difference, but if you do, you could see possible reversals. For instance, this is a very you could quantify these either as piercing lines or as tweezers. They're so close, and that's typically what you have. And since we've gone through the tweezers already, I'm not going to make this one very long, but I still wanted to tell you about the pattern because you will see it from time to time. Thank you, and have a great day.